5 fingers on the ground, shoulder width apart. Legs straight. Feet together. Lower your body, then lift up. Lower your body, then lift again. Lift again. This is called 3 rises and 3 falls. Demonstration. When doing 3 rises and 3 falls, pay close attention. Keep your body balanced. Do not lead with your head or lead with the hips. Rise evenly.